Welcome back. This is the train expert channel. We got an OC&T short grain hopper train. Let's check it out. Good thing I had to lock. Good thing I was looking. Oh, there he is. I thought he was going to hide again. I know he likes to hide a lot, but he does there a lot too. He does. Yeah, Tom likes to hide a lot, but like I mentioned on the 2 videos ago about that he was been hiding. I don't know if I did it when I did the trains with Abby. I know I have with the trains. I went with Jolene, but that's been it. Not the trains I went with Abby. No, that's a short. Because I already counted it, and it's like 6, and that's short. That's short. No, rusty. Well, there'll be a rusty hopper behind the power at the end, but there will be no rusty hopper in this first end. It did on the end. I hope those rusty hoppers can go away. This is going track. No, they're going back to track 2. Just to make clear or something, yeah. I don't think this AC is not hot enough, or not cold enough, so I'm going to use the window here. AC wasn't hot enough for some reason, or not cold enough for some reason. That's why. So I just want to put a window down instead of putting the AC on. But the vehicle, we got to get. This is great. This is a grain. This is very short. Yes, very short. No, not very short, but just a bit short freight train. Or grain hopper train it is. We're getting grain hoppers and light powers is all I'm going to get today. Between camcorders and live streams. I tried to get one on live, but they're not going to let me go live at Quality End. They did let me go live at Mr. Butts, though. Have to go live when there's connection, not just with 4G. Gecko let me go live too. And Mr. Butts got me going live too as well. Between 2 months behind, and then right now we're getting nothing but Outcoast 75s between 2 months behind and then this. I was thinking before that smoke comes in, I thought Chris never smokes on there. I just didn't know where that smoke was coming from. It's our train. Yes, it's our train. Yeah, there's a train coming right now. Yes, right now. We just got the 6 1-engine grain train, including 1 rusty, 1 behind the power, heading back south. Well, they're going to see if they're going to be doing any more grain hopper work after this. If not, it'll be light power and being it for today. Right there. No, they ended the trains on Friday around just before 1 o'clock on Friday. Then we had to close it on the live stream. But we got 2 trains going live today out of 14. This is 15 we're in right now. Then the 16th will be the light power. That's why I don't see it. I don't see the engine right now. So we're gonna get all right. That's gonna be it. We'll be back on with this light. Oh, there's the horn now. Finally. Usually it's a small one. Any air horn? No air horns today. I couldn't believe it. Out of all the Alco 75s we had for the last couple weeks, we have no air horns. Must be the air horns not working today. So, all right, we're going to get off and we'll get back on with this light power train. Talk to you later.